Sorry, there was some power failure issues. And okay, so everybody fine? Are you all fine?
Yes.
Had your tea?
No.
No?
Yes.
Why?
Yes. No. Yes. No.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. So, till what question we learned in last class? We discussed. What is the last question that we discussed in our last class?
Hmm.
Hmm?
11.
11. Hmm?
Yeah.
Have everybody written till 11? Have everybody completed till 11?
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am, we are doing question. Yes.
Fayan, have you completed? Fayan, have you completed?
Match the follow is complete.
Okay, Amen have completed till match the following.
Ma'am, Ma'am, I not complete.
You have not completed
Complete.
still?
Ma'am, I
Still have
complete.
you completed? Yes.
Ma'am, I complete.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, I complete.
Okay, very good. So, shall we discuss question number 12?
Ma'am, I complete. Yes.
Yes, very good.
We need to.
So,
There are people who do and the
so,
people
so
who
now
make.
we will be discussing question number 12.
Ma'am, page number
Page number just
19.
yes,
19.
page number 19.
Things we make.
Children, please don't mass answer. The person who I call, unmute your device and answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am muting all of yours device. The person whom I call, the name, I'll call the name of some person. Only that person unmute your device and answer. I hope you are very clear with it. And our question number 12 is mention any two differences between the people who do and the people who make. That is the question. Who knows the answer? Just put up your hands. Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? Nobody knows the answer?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, one small read.
Question. Adidev, do you have workbook?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Take page number 19.
Ma'am, I know.
Wait, Vihan, wait. Adidev, take page number 19. 19 in your workbook. Huh, that is the page. In that question number 12, short answer questions. Have you seen it? Question is mention any two differences between the people who do and people who make. That is the question. So, we have to write two differences, okay?
Okay.
Michelle, can you tell me one difference? Tell me a characteristic of people who do.
Proper, different
Wait.
food. Why?
Michelle,
Yes, ma'am. Teacher and daughter.
teacher and doctor, yes. But that is an example. I am asking for a characteristic or a feature of people who do. Only Michelle will answer. All others, please mute your device.
Wipers.
It is sweepers, but it is an example. I want a characteristic. Like what they do. What sweepers do? Michelle, what sweepers do? Sweepers cleans.
Clean road.
Yes,
Road.
they cleans our road. So we can see their action, isn't it?
Yes.
We can see the people cleaning.
Yes.
So in people who do, one characteristic feature is like their actions are the main part of their occupation. Like we can see
Ma'am.
a sweeper cleaning the road, we can see a doctor checking the patient, etc.
Ma'am,
Yes, Emin, yes.
you need to write.
You need to write the sentence what I tell now, okay?
Okay.
Now write in that column you can write their actions. Everybody please write. Vihan, write it in your book. Joseph, have you already written it?
Ma'am, you write in the board. Ma'am.
You have to wait, I'll write on the board then.
Writing this one. Only write. I will not see.
Hmm?
Not seeing board.
Wait, I have not yet shared the screen.
Ma'am.
Yes, wait, children, wait, I have not yet shared the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, wait, there are some issues with the board. Let me rectify it.
Ma'am.
Wait, children, there are some issues with the board. Let me rectify it first.
And you is gone. Ma'am, you gone. Ma'am is gone. What? Ma'am is gone. Gone to make the board. Okay. Women is dancing. Right? Hmm? Eh? You is dancing. Hmm? Who's dancing? Padkam. Padkam. What is this? Imanish. What is doing? Iman is dancing. Who's it? Oh. Hmm. Sin. Kamne to Aditya PK. KP is joined. Oh, the Asyawarthi. burger, nuggets.
Men's Island.
Ma'am is coming.
Ma'am came. No, 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 no.
Ma'am,
Yes.
no screen. Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Ma'am,
Yes.
shade and bent.
Alphabet.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can see the
So
board.
now I'll write. Now I'll
Alphabet,
write.
ma'am.
Okay. So we was discussing about people who do, isn't it?
People who
Yes.
do does actions.
Okay. People who do. The answer that we have to write there is their action
Their actions
their actions
their occupation
are the
are the
main
part of their
part
occupation. Part
of their
occupation.
this is the first point that you have to write over there in that box. And the second, do you know what is the second
People who make.
characteristic? No.
Who
So we have to write,
make
attend to the question, children. We have to write two differences, isn't it? We have to write two differences. So we have only written one point. We have to write one more point. And the next point is, we can only see the actions they do.
can
We can
only see the actions
only
they do.
see the actions they do.
Can
Now give an example.
can
An example for people who do.
teacher, doctor,
Teachers,
reports, police, nurse,
teachers and doctors. We can write teachers, doctors, and we will write one more. We will write sweepers, okay?
Ma'am, also
police,
Ma'am, also policemen and women.
police woman.
Okay. We have written 3. That's enough.
Okay.
Any doubt? Anybody?
No.
Okay. Have everybody written these points?
No. No.
Then I'll read. Everybody please write. Please write it down in your workbook. If you don't have a workbook, write it down in your notebook. Adidev, have you written? Yes? Yes. Okay, very good. Vihan, have you noted down the points?
No.
Huh? Why are you not writing? Joseph,
We cannot have a workbook.
Vihan, write it down in a notebook.
Okay.
Or write down in your rough book or in your notebook.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, finish. People who make
Joseph, have you written?
I am writing. Ma'am,
Okay. Right.
finish.
Wait, let others also complete.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Everybody is done?
No.
No?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Anjal, Aditya, Paurnami,
No.
Ayan,
No.
Mohammed, Fadil. Everybody, please switch on your video.
I cannot see the board.
Who cannot see the board?
Adidev.
Everybody else can see Adidev. Or might be
Yes.
someone else.
Ma'am, I can see the board.
Ma'am, I can see
Yes.
the board. Ma'am, I finished.
Yes. Joseph, you have written it in a wrong way. We have to write both the points in a single column under the people who do. Write it under both the points should be written in the same column. In the box which have given the title people who do.
Nine.
Erase it off and write it again, okay?
People who make I write.
Emin, you also have written it in a wrong way. Write it in a single column. Both. Let me complete. Children, let me complete. Just wait a second. I'll clarify. Yes. Now, I have told you 2 points. In the screen, you can see 2 points and an example. Isn't it? This should be written in the single column and the title of that box is
Ma'am,
people
like this?
who do. Yes.
Not write people who make.
No, not under people who make. You have to write it under people who do. Emin, erase it off and write it again. Joseph, erase it off and write it again. Fine. Have you written it right? Okay. Hayan, have you written it right? Are you writing it down?
Am I finished?
Yes.
Second also.
Okay, very good. Hmm.
Ma'am, like this we need to do?
Wait, let me see.
Like this you want to do, ma'am?
Yes. Both Anne and Michelle have done it right. So, shall we go to the next box?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No.
People who have not yet done, do it after the class, okay? Joseph and Vihan, it is given in your textbook in page number 25. Write it after the class, okay? Now we will do the column people who make.
See, they help us by creating Ma'am, finished.
Yes, okay, very good. Joseph, you completed? Okay.
Finished.
So now we will do the next column. In that column, the title given us people who make.
Who make.
And that I already finished.
Okay, no problem. So, what will we write in this column? What are the two characteristics of people who
Help
make?
us by creating or making things.
Yes, they help us by creating or making things. That is the first point. They help us by creating or making things. Making
things.
things.
Ma'am, finish.
Yes. Sanjal. Sanjal. Sanjal, please unmute your
Ma'am,
device.
venture, full stop, venture, right?
Sanjal,
Ma'am,
can you tell me the second characteristic? Can you
ma'am,
tell
that
me?
also finish.
Wait. Let Sanjal give an answer. People who have people who have finished write the answer. It's okay. Very good.
Ma'am,
Sanjal,
finish.
what is the second characteristic of people who make? Can you tell me the second characteristic or second feature of people who make? We have already learned it in our textbook.
Can see to
Wait. Let Sanjal try to give the answer. Sanjal, do you have textbook? Huh? Do you have textbook? Then take your textbook page number. I will tell you. Page number 25.
Battery working.
Sanjal textbook page number 25. Okay, in that you can see the box over there. People who make. Have you seen the box? Yes. Read the second point.
can see touch.
The
Read the second point. We can see,
we can see
touch,
we can see touch and
Page number.
page number 25 in the textbook.
Ma'am, I can say.
No. Let Sanjal give a try. Sanjal, read it. We can see, touch,
Ma'am, I can read.
and feel. Sanjal, try to read. And feel. The things they make.
Things make.
Okay, have you got it? Sanjal, have you got it? Okay, so that is the next point that we have to write in our workbook. I'll write it down here.
Ma'am, that finished.
We can see,
Can
touch,
and feel the things they make. Example,
and
farmer,
wait. And
author.
who is reading the text? Wait.
empire.
We can see, touch, and
That
Feel.
everybody please write it in your workbook. Sanjal, have you written in your workbook? Yes. Everybody done?
no. Yes.
No.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah, you have enough time.
5 example.
Examples are
Farmers, potters, chefs.
Farmers,
Ma'am, Potter.
And chefs.
Ma'am, Potter and chef.
yes, potter and chef.
Make. Make.
Everybody, please write those examples too.
Ma'am, finish that.
Everybody done?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Who all have not done? We will give you enough time. Sorry, I'll give you enough time. No problem. Write it slowly.
Time. Fine. Finished.
Okay, everybody done?
Yes.
Yes, Amin.
Yes.
Yes, Amin, you can write. No problem.
Everybody is telling yes.
No problem, Amin, you write. Finished?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody finished?
Yes. Oh, I got the finish.
Mayan, have you finished?
Yeah.
Yes. Harshvardhan, have you finished? Have you finished writing?
Yes.
Yes. Eben, done?
Yes.
Who make
Yes.
Okay. So, we learned people who do and people who make. Isn't it? Everybody clear with that question? Shall we move to the next question?
Yes.
Okay. So, the next question is question number 13. How do you think soldiers save the people of a country? Who all want to be the part of defense? Who all want to become soldiers in my class?
Ma'am, I.
Amen.
Ma'am, I.
Adi Dev. And who else?
Harshvardhan.
Harshavardhan. Sanjay. Sanjay, do you want to become a soldier?
Ma'am,
Sanjay?
I also.
Who also? Yes, and also want to become. Sanjay, do you want to become a soldier?
Yes.
Yes. So there are many people who want to become soldiers in our class. So can you answer this question? People who want to become soldiers, can you answer this question? I will ask. Adi Dev, can you please answer this question? Do you want to become a soldier? Yes. Then can you please answer this question?
Am I
Adi Dev?
say
Yes. Say.
soldier?
Huh. Other than people other than Adidev, please mute your device.
Ma'am, echo is coming. Right?
Who is coming?
Right.
Others, please mute your device.
Okay, ma'am.
Provide the
Adidev, louder, 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 please.
soldier provide
Hmm.
Fight the borders
Hmm.
of our
Soldiers protects borders of our country. Yes.
they fight they fight for us in war.
Yes. So, what do soldiers do? They protect our country, they fight in wars, and keep
They
all of
fight.
us safe. Isn't
They
it?
fight bad guys.
Yes. So, shall we write the answer?
Yes.
Ma'am.
I will write on the board. Please see into that and note it down in your workbook or in a notebook. Okay?
Okay.
The answer
Okay.
is
When I am soldier.
hmm? Who is calling me?
Soldier
And will you
who
say something?
No. I am soldier.
Who is the one who called me in between?
Oh, sir.
Ma'am, a coach coming.
So I don't know how to deal with that. I'm so sorry about that.
Ma'am,
If
you
it
can mute all.
mute. Now is it solved?
Yes. No.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, no.
Yes.
Ma'am, no.
Yes.
Muted.
And you can write.
Yes, people write.
Ma'am, I only right.
Who have already written.
Adidev.
Okay, no problem. Let others write Adidev. Soldiers protect the borders of our country. They fight us.
So, my page number.
You have to write it in page number 19 of your workbook.
Soldiers protect the work. Red. Then
Mhm. What happened to the pen?
what happened?
No, nothing happened. Risk their lives for people. So, people, I am reading the answer once again. Soldiers protect the borders of our country. They fight for us in wars and risk their lives for people. All of you got the answer?
Yes.
Everybody finished writing?
Yes.
So, our time is up. We will.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Live spelling once more. Say
Lives. Is it written right? Lives.
okay.
Okay? Fine.
Ma'am.
Any other doubt? Yes. Who is calling me?
Ma'am, which spelling are you telling?
Lives. Lives.
Ma'am.
Yes, Aditi.
You mistake country.
This is R. My hand, right? Yeah.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Adidev.
No.
Oh, this is your solar system. Very good.
This
Hmm?
project.
Yeah, might be. Have your teacher given your project?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So our time is up. We only have some more question answers to be completed. That we will do in the next class. Okay?
Ma'am, project, solar system project, we,
Have you done them in?
no.
No. Why have you not done? Everybody else have done?
No.
No.
Ma'am did not say to do.
I'm not.
Then why Adidev have done? 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me complete this. Okay.
Ma'am, in the group you sent.
Okay. Now we have only some more question answers that to be completed. That we will complete in the next class. By this by that we will get to the end of this chapter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am. Bye. Bye. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Bye,
Any
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
any